We also have Romana Rashid Rumi, is a graduate from the Department of Public Administration, University of Dhaka, Bangladesh. Ms. Romana has acquired 2 years of research project named Mujipedia, experience by working on Encyclopedia on Father of Nation, Bhagabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman projects in Bangladesh. Her work as area Her work area mainly encompasses around Bangladesh public policy, corporate policy, especially HR and law enforcement in Bangladesh, water security and poverty interlinkages in urban slums and in climate finance.